I performed over 30,000 procedures in my career, and one of the most common questions patients ask me is, how much does a hair transplant actually cost? In our practice, hair transplants range from $10,000 to $22,000. That's a wide range, and the difference is not random. It comes down to technique, area treated, and what you actually need. Today, I'm going to break down exactly what you're paying for. First, an important clarification. Most hair transplant clinics in the United States price per graft. You pay $4 to $10 per individual follicle transplanted. The more grafts you need, the higher the total. In our practice, we don't price per graft, we price by area, small, medium, or large. Why? Because per graft pricing puts a fee meter on every follicle. Patients end up worried about graft count instead of focus on their outcome. Area pricing gives you a clear number up front for the result that you want, not a meter that runs higher every minute on the operating table. Here's how the three areas break down. A small area is for localized hair loss or thinning, a widow's peak, temple recession, a specific thinning spot. Patients with focus, limited hair loss. A medium area is for moderate hair loss, make over the crown or rebuild the hairline. For patients with progression but not yet advanced loss. A large area is for advanced hair loss, covers the crown in advanced cases or rebuilds the hairline in advanced cases. For patients with significant pattern hair loss who need full restoration in one procedure. Now to the actual prices. FUT is a strip method. A strip of scalp is taken from the back of your head, then divided into grafts. It's the most cost-effective technique because it allows the largest graft count in a single session. In our practice, a small FUT procedure is around $10,000. A medium FUT is about $14,000. A large FUT is about $18,000. FUT is a right choice for patients who plan to keep the hair longer in the back. The linear donor scar is invisible under hair of normal length. It's also the right choice for patients who need maximum graft count in one session. FUE removes individual follicles from the donor area, one by one. No linear scar, just tiny dots that fade and become invisible once your hair grows back. It allows you to wear your hair short or styled however you want. FUE is more labor intensive than the strip method. Each follicle is extracted by hand. That takes more time and skill, which is why FUE costs more. In our practice, a small FUE procedure is around $14,000. A medium FUE is around $18,000. A large FUE is around $22,000. FUE is a right choice for patients who want maximum flexibility with hair length and style. Patients with active lifestyles. Patients who care more about donor area appearance. It's a technique most of my patients choose. Hidden FUE is a premium variation of FUE. A specialized harvest pattern leaves the donor area undetectable. Normally, we need to shave the area. This allows us to hide the donor area under longer hair. This is good for patients in the public eye, executives, or anyone who needs absolute privacy. Hidden FUE delivers an undetectable donor area at longer hair lengths. In our practice, hidden FUE is around $22,000 for a 1,000 graft procedure. Eyebrows are a separate category with their own pricing. We perform eyebrow transplants using both FUE and FUT techniques. Eyebrow FUE in our practice is around $15,000. Eyebrow FUT is around $11,000. Eyebrow transplants are technically more demanding than scalp transplants per graft. Each follicle must be placed at a specific angle to mimic natural eyebrow direction. Done correctly, the result is permanent and indistinguishable from natural eyebrow hair. Every quote in our practice includes a surgeon's fee, local anesthetic, and if needed, oral sedation. The procedure itself, which runs 4 to 8 hours depending on size. Post-operative supplies, medications, and a special pillow. Follow-up visits for the first year. What's not included? PRP injections if you elect to combine them with a transplant. Long-term medications like finasteride or minoxidil. That's what a hair transplant actually costs in our practice. 3 areas, 2 main techniques, 1 premium variation plus eyebrows. No per graft meter, no hidden fees. If you want to understand which technique fits you, watch FUE versus FUT versus hidden FUE. Which technique is best for you? If you're wondering what recovery looks like, watch Hair Transplant Recovery, What to Expect Day by Day. I'm Dr. Shim Ching. Tap the link on our page to book a virtual consultation.